Hi guys, it's Gattinu and today I have another product for you to unbox in front of me. Today we're going to unbox the AUKEY 5 ports USB charging station. This has a one quick charger, I will show it later on for you. It has a 2.0 quick charger USB port as well, and this is a cable to light adapter. So basically you have to plug it into the wall, and then you have 5 stations of USB, and one of them it's a quick charger. So it's a simple box. It's the AUKEY box, standard box. Here we have all the details required. It is a Qualcomm quick charger 2.0 technology, support multiple output voltage charger, you can see, and up to 75 faster than another USB charger, smart and rapidly charging for most devices. You can charge tablets, smartphones, digital cameras, if you have MP3 and MP4 and external batteries. So let's open it up. This I bought it from Amazon. I will leave the link below for you if you are interested to get your hands into one of these. So put it on the side. And I would like your feedback as well, if you can, about the recording, if it's good or not. I'm recording with my iPhone 10 and I would like to hear some feedback from you guys. So we open it up. We have the instruction manual, how to use and how to charge and all the excessive etc. Thanks for purchasing from AUKEY. Here we have the port hub itself. That we'll put it inside, we'll get to it later. And here we have a simple mini USB to USB to charge Android devices and mainly all other devices except Apple devices. And here we have the cable, the brick wall cable. So let's open it up, let's remove all the covers. There we go. And here we got the AUKEY. Let's go into the light for a better look. The AUKEY, as you can see, we have 4 ports. They are green, and then at the bottom we have the orange one. This is the fast charging. This is the fast charging port. So let's give it a go. It's a simple process. So let's adjust the camera for you guys. So you just connect the brick wall attach it to the system, switch it on, and here you have the details as well. Let's focus on them. You have the AI power up, and then you've got the 2.0 quick charger for the orange one. So basically we have connected the device with light. Let's bring my tablet on side. So we've got the tablet here. Let's connect it with the 2.0 charge, and then we connect it with the, and as you can see here, let's zoom a little bit and focus. It is charging as usual. So basically just remove it, and that's all. And you can put, of course, and you can attach multiple devices, not only one, but even you have 5. And there you can connect all the devices that you need, and just one power. Instead of using many wall bricks, you just use only that one wall brick, and you can charge multiple devices. So guys, this is all for this video. If you want to purchase this device, I will leave the link below. And if you want to see more unboxing like this, hit that like button, I would appreciate that. And if you want to stay tuned for more unboxing and even gameplays, I would appreciate if you hit that subscribe button as well. Thank you, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.